Sunday worship, the lie that nearly everyone believes. Warning: millions of sincere Christians have fallen for a lie, and they don't even realize it. What if I told you that Sunday worship is not in the Bible? If God never changed the Sabbath, then who did and why? The truth will shock you. Welcome to today's urgent biblical revelation. Sunday worship, the lie that nearly everyone believes. For centuries, churches have taught that Sunday is the Lord's day. But what if this belief is a deception that has misled millions? In this video, we'll expose what the Bible actually says about the true day of worship, who changed the Sabbath to Sunday, and why. Why worshiping on the wrong day is an act of disobedience. Skeptics and non-believers. I challenge you to disprove these biblical facts. The challenge begins. 1. God's law commands the Sabbath, not Sunday. Exodus 20, 8-11. The fourth commandment says, "Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy." Genesis chapter 2, 2-3. At creation, God sanctified the seventh day, not the first. Malachi 3:6. For I am the Lord, I change not. Fact: the Bible never changed the Sabbath to Sunday. Challenge to skeptics. Find one verse where God changed the Sabbath to Sunday. 2. Jesus and his disciples kept the Sabbath. Luke 4:16. Jesus kept the Sabbath as his custom was. Matthew 24:20. Jesus prophesied that his followers would still be keeping the Sabbath in the last days. Acts 17:2. Paul, even after Jesus' resurrection, continued worshipping on the Sabbath. Fact: if Sunday replaced the Sabbath, why didn't Jesus or his disciples say so? Challenge to skeptics. If Jesus and his disciples kept the Sabbath, why do modern churches worship on Sunday? 3. The Catholic Church admits it changed the Sabbath. Catholic Record, September 1, 1923. Sunday is our mark of authority. The Church is above the Bible. Convert's Catechism of Catholic Doctrine. We observe Sunday instead of Saturday because the Catholic Church transferred the solemnity. The Catholic Mirror, 1893. The Catholic Church, by virtue of her divine mission, changed the day from Saturday to Sunday. Fact: the Catholic Church openly admits it changed the Sabbath, not God. Challenge to skeptics. If the Catholic Church changed the Sabbath, why are Protestants obeying it instead of the Bible? 4. The Bible warned us about this deception. Mark 7, 7-9. In vain do they worship me, teaching for doctrines the commandments of men. Daniel 7:25. A religious power would think to change times and laws. Revelation 13:16-17. The beast will enforce false worship in the last days. Fact: Sunday worship is not commanded by God. It is a deception. Challenge to skeptics. If the Bible warns against following man's laws over God's, why do you still worship on Sunday? Call to action. Sunday worship, the lie that nearly everyone believes. Will you follow God's law or fall for man's deception? The Bible is clear. God never changed the Sabbath. Millions are being deceived. Will you wake up before it's too late? Challenge. Can you find one verse proving Sunday worship? Comment below. Like, share and subscribe to spread the truth.